Chandrayaan-1 was India's first lunar probe, launched by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, on October 22, 2008. The mission's main objective was to study the moon's surface and gather data to enhance our understanding of lunar geology, mineralogy, and topography. Here are some key points about the Chandrayaan-1 mission. Launch and orbit. Chandrayaan-1 was launched using a Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV rocket from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, India. After its launch, it was inserted into a highly elliptical orbit around the moon. Payload and instruments. The spacecraft carried 11 scientific instruments, including an impact probe called the Moon Impact Probe, MIP, which was released and impacted the moon's surface. The key scientific instruments included Terrain Mapping Camera, TMC, captured 3D images of the lunar surface. Moon Impact Probe, MIP, designed to impact the moon's surface and study its composition upon impact. Moon Impact Probe Chandrayaan-1 X-ray Spectrometer, C1XS, measured X-ray fluorescence to determine the composition of the lunar surface. Hyperspectral Imager, HISI, studied the mineral composition of the moon. Moon Impact Probe Radar Altimeter, MIPRA, measured the altitude during the probe's descent. Discoveries and achievements. Chandrayaan-1 made several significant discoveries during its mission. Water molecules. The Moon Impact Probe confirmed the presence of water molecules in the thin lunar exosphere, hydroxyl and water ice. Data from the Moon Impact Probe and the Moon Impact Probe. Chandrayaan-1 X-ray spectrometer indicated the presence of hydroxyl and water ice in the polar regions of the moon. Lunar craters. The mission mapped several lunar craters, providing valuable insights into the moon's geological history. Mapping and topography. The Terrain Mapping Camera provided detailed images and elevation maps of the lunar surface. Mission end. Chandrayaan-1's mission was initially planned to last 2 years, but communication with the spacecraft was lost in August 2009. Despite this, the mission was considered a success due to the valuable data it collected during its operational phase. Chandrayaan-1 significantly contributed to our understanding of the moon's composition, geology, and the presence of water molecules and ice on its surface. It laid the foundation for India's subsequent lunar missions, including Chandrayaan-2, which aimed to further explore the moon's surface and deploy a land.